Mario once again with MIA Microflight. Today is Friday, October 10, 2025. I decided to bring my 70s, late 70s, early 80s RC helicopter that I show in some other video. And I'll be showing that in just a little while here. I decided to bring that into CAD. And basically I had to start from scratch, designing the helicopter, basically taking measurements and and trying to redo some of those parts. I am going to 3D print the frame. I am going to 3D print the landing gear. The skids are a little bit different than my aluminum skids that I had on my original one. These are going to be, as you can see, they're a little bit rectangular. So it's got some really cool updates to the original one that was done with a plywood frame and a balsa wood boom. Believe it or not, I flew that helicopter back in the early 80s. And also that helicopter has the mechanical stabilizer that I'm showing in some other videos. This one has a partial flybar here because this is an independent flybar uh, articulated system, as I show in some other videos, short videos. So check those out if you're interested in finding out how I'm doing that, and I go into a little more detail on this stabilizer, how that works. But basically, this is the model already done here. And what I decided to do is I decided to resize my rotor head design that I employ on this little one here. So I basically just resize that up, along with the swash plate. Resize that up. But this is actually uses a 600 speed 600. Back in the day, we had these DC motors made by Grobner, the company that used to sell these through Hobby Lobby in Tennessee. And this was one of the motors that I had bought back in the day. Speed 600. It operates at 8.4 volts. You can see these servos are the Futaba, the old school servos. Almost like an S300 servo. Um, you can see all that information in the. Actually, yeah. Let me show you the actual helicopter. So this is basically what it looks like in CAD. And this is what the model looks like. Like I was saying, I did that back in those years. I didn't have any special tools, so plywood frame, balsa wood boom. Some components are still here.